From sticking a landing with a broken ankle
Grounded.
to a game-stopping ankle fracture, you don't have to be a professional athlete to feel the pain.
The most common injury is a twisting injury.
And those twisting injuries can end up in an ankle fracture.
Traditionally, what we typically do is make an incision over the broken bone. We put a plate over the top of it with screws going in, and the plate sits on the outside of the bone, which is directly really under the skin.
At some point, the plates and screws will have to be removed. Now, orthopedic surgeon David Garris is using new technology called the Fibulock fibular nail to fix the fracture.
What the newer technology has allowed us to do now is actually develop implants that are specific for these types of ankle fractures that have both fixation above the fracture and below the fracture.
The new technology uses several tiny incisions to place the rod inside, not outside, the fibula. Patients can walk on the ankle immediately and return to normal activity within 2 weeks. There's less atrophy and weakness, less risk of hardware problems, and less risk of infection, making it quicker and less painful to get moving again. I'm Marty Salt reporting.